Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've kind of made a video about this, but I did this live this morning for myself. I was using a scrap piece of wood, and I had just a little bit left on the big sheet of plywood, and I wanted to make sure it fit. If you will grab all your objects, so just slightly go around your objects, hold down the Shift key, and double click on the rectangle box, it'll give you a rectangle around your box, and then you can run this, just this rectangle, with your door open and your red dot pointer, as in this video. And I apologize that it's on an angle, but to get it all in, I turned my phone sideways. And I can see that they're just barely gonna fit. I mean, the red dot's like right there and right there. That way, if you don't do something like that, and you just think you're good by measuring, and then you've engraved this and then cut this, and this part of the cross or this part of the cross is just off your piece, you've wasted a lot of time and a little bit of wood. And then when I don't have a laser hooked up to this, but you can just go to print and hit selected. Leave your door open, it won't cut it. You know, I do it like at 50 speed and 0 power, and it'll trace that line just like in the video. And then it's going to fit in that piece of wood. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.